In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fully automate your faceless short form content completely for free. The best part about this is we're only using one tool to generate the content, to automate the content, and to post to all of our social media accounts. And there's no coding experience needed, and we're not using N8N or Make.com. Without further ado, let me show you what type of content we'll be generating today. This Instagram account has almost 12 million followers, and they're all faceless meme content that gets well over 1 million views on each single post. We've got some that even have 17 million views and some that even reach 30 million views. Here's another great example of a brand new account that already has 60,000 followers, and these videos are already reaching 500,000 views, and they're all generated with AI, and this is what we're going to be creating today. Here's another one with almost 2 million views. Introducing Content Drip AI. This is going to be our one tool that does it all: create, schedule, and grow on all of our social media accounts. Now, full disclosure, I created this one platform to do it all because this is the problem that I had and I wanted to solve. And I'm giving it away for free, as there is a free plan, as well as some paid plans for some additional features. And because of that, I'm giving away a year worth of premium subscription that's worth about over $1,000, and it's completely free to enter this giveaway. All the links are down in the description, as well as my free school that has additional resources on all things AI automation and some nice discounts like this one right here. Okay, to get started, you're gonna wanna go to contentdrip.ai, and you're going to want to hit join for free on the top right. From here, you can sign up using either Google, LinkedIn, or your own email. Okay, once you get logged in, you should be redirected to a page like this. It's basically just some simple statistics about your content and what's generated when it's posted. Okay, what you're going to want to do is go to the create content button on the top left. And this is where we're going to do all of our content creation or uploading. So you have meme, viral short, AI influencer, which hopefully will be upcoming, and then also an upload your own video option. Okay, we're gonna start with meme and we're gonna hit proceed. And here you'll get two different options: customize your own meme or generate with a prompt. We're gonna generate with prompt just to show you the whole process and the output. So you can put anything in here, any niche, any business, anything you want. And I'm just gonna put Content Drip AI and what it's all about. And then I'm gonna hit generate. It should take around 30 to 45 seconds for these memes. Okay, the meme finished generating, and this is what we get. Let's play it. Okay, that's pretty good, and it matches the prompt that we put in and adds the AI image in the background. So that's perfect. From here, we can actually post this meme to all of our social media accounts. We can do that by hitting create post. And since we haven't added any of our accounts, we'll do that by clicking this button. It'll open another tab to this page where you can add all of these accounts. For starters, we have these 4 approved, and these 2 are coming up soon. So let's add at least one account from each of these platforms, and I'll show you how we're posting to them. Start with YouTube. You're gonna wanna select the Google account that's associated with your YouTube channel. Okay, once you go through those prompts, you should get your YouTube channel added. Okay, let's continue the process of adding the rest of the accounts. Okay, I signed in with LinkedIn, and then there's my personal LinkedIn account. Now let's add all of our Facebook pages. Okay, I finished signing in with Facebook, and now it's adding all of the Facebook pages that are associated with the Facebook account. So it added these 6. And then the last one, let's add our Instagram account. Okay, there we go. There's our Instagram account as well. So we added all of our accounts. Now if we close out of this tab, we should see all of our accounts loaded up here. And let's create a post for each different platform and see them get posted. So this is the Instagram post. You can edit the caption to however you want. It adds a caption based on the prompt that you put in. And you can edit this any way you want. So let's say we didn't want this hashtag like that. Then we can select the privacy settings down here and then save post. And let's do the rest of the platforms. Let's do Facebook. Leave it like that. Add public, and then let's add our LinkedIn account. Go public, and then let's add our YouTube account as well. And this one we have to make sure it's under 100 characters for the title. And we'll put in test description, put in AI, and then let's make this unlisted and entertainment. And then save that post. Because we chose generate with prompt, we're able to actually automate this whole process for future posts. What we can do is automate that prompt to auto-generate on a certain interval and also post on the same post that we assigned here and the same settings as well. So what you're going to want to do is hit automate meme. Let's enter a name. Okay, I added a name, automate meme daily demo. And we're going to set a start date. Let's set it for tomorrow. And let's set a time for noon. Now let's set the end date. Let's say this is a month-long campaign, and we'll set it so it's posting daily for about a month. And let's go after 12, so post on there like that. And we'll put daily, and then we'll put 1 for the amount of times, and then we'll leave auto post on, and then we'll hit proceed. And that is how you automate your entire meme process to post daily. And then this last part, make it visible, is just for the content drip community and making it visible for other users to see. So we'll leave that as yes. And then we can save and post. So once you hit save and post, it's going to start posting to all of the accounts, and it just finished. All 4 of them got posted. And we can actually check them out by looking at the post link. So if in the little actions bar, we can hit open post link. And then there is our video right there. And it was posted 20 seconds ago. And then there is our caption that okay, let's check out Facebook, open post link. And there it is right there. And then let's check out YouTube, open post link. There's the YouTube video. It's unlisted, as you can see, and has a test description that we put in there. Okay, perfect. That is the entire meme creation process for the prompt. Let's go ahead and create some viral shorts. As you can see, it leads us to this My Content page. This shows you all of your content that's generated and the status that it's in. If you go to My Post, it shows you all the posts that were recently posted. So these top 4 are all accounts that we just set up and posted to. And then you have your drafts as well. If you're editing a post, this is where it will show up. Okay, now let's go ahead and create some viral shorts. So hit viral short, proceed. We're gonna generate with prompt. We're gonna enter the same prompt that we did for the meme. And we're gonna say use stock footage for this one, and then we'll hit generate. This one takes about 3 to 5 minutes. While this is generating, we're gonna hit save as draft, and we're gonna create another viral short, and we're gonna hit generate with prompt, the same prompt that we did with meme. This time we're gonna say generate with AI footage, and we'll hit generate. And this also takes about 5 minutes. While those 2 are rendering, I want to actually upload my own video that I created myself and upload it to all of my accounts that I already just connected to. So you can do that easily by creating content and then hit see other options, and we'll hit upload your video. Select your media. Okay, so now it's uploading to our library, and then there is the media that we just uploaded. And from here, we can actually create those same posts. So say we want this one on Facebook only. Test description, public, say post, and say we want it on a different Facebook account. And then we'll hit public, and then we'll say post. And so now we have those 2 posts, and we can hit save and post, and it posts automatically to all of those accounts. And there we go. So that is that feature. Okay, I went back to drafts and I found the viral short made with stock video, and let's check it out.
Content automation is revolutionizing digital strategies across industries, and recent advancements highlight its growing impact. According to Box Brings AI Agents to Enterprise Content, content automation tools are increasingly integrating AI capabilities to streamline workflows, enhance personalization, and boost efficiency in content management systems. AI agents can now process vast data sets to generate relevant, targeted content for users, effectively reducing manual workload and improving output quality. This evolution allows organizations to maintain consistency and relevancy in their messaging, ultimately strengthening brand engagement. By adopting content automation, businesses can stay ahead of the competition and cater to the ever-evolving demands of digital consumers.
Okay, so that was the viral short with the prompt. And as you can see, it generates a random voice using our own voices. However, there is a premium feature if you want to use your own voice. You can say that in the prompt as long as it's associated with your account. I'll show you later on how to clone your own voice and how to apply it to the short. And in the same way, because we generated this with a prompt, we can automate it the same way, like that. For now, I'll just hit save and we'll leave that as rendered. And if we go to the other viral short in our draft for the AI generated footage, you'll see this is the viral short with AI generated footage.
Ever struggled to keep your content game strong? Enter contentdrip.ai. Whether you're a business or an influencer, this tool adapts to your needs. Stay tuned for more hacks and tools to enhance your digital strategy.
Okay, perfect. So that was the AI generated footage. So for now, we'll just hit save on this as well. Now I'll show you some of the additional features that you get when you are on a paid subscription. So if you go to the user account on the top right, you should be able to see it in the API key section. And API keys are only given to paying members. And what the API allows you to do is all detailed in the documentation right here. It basically allows you to upload your own media to all the accounts you listed within contentdrip.ai and all the accounts that you created. Okay, another great feature is all within the custom viral short process. So we'll hit proceed on a viral short, do a custom short. We can enter your entire voiceover script right here, or you can generate the script with AI. So we'll hit generate on this. Okay, it generated the script based on contentdrip.ai. Okay, so once you have your script entered, you can now select your system voice or user-generated voice. These are some of our system voices that come with contentdrip.ai. The real magic is if you have the premium plan, you can generate your own voice with a voice sample. So you go over user-generated. If you don't have a voice, you'll be able to upload your voice sample. I'll upload mine right now. Okay, I uploaded the voice sample and it generated the voice clone already. You can listen to the voice recording to make sure that that's the one that you want. And you can hit generate voiceover. Okay, and then there we go. In a couple seconds, you have your full voiceover in my own voice. Let's listen to it here. No more writer's block or second guessing your strategy. It's like having a personal content assistant available 24/7, ready to take your content strategy to the next level. Let's dive into how contentdrip.ai is changing the game. Okay, so that's pretty wild. It sounds pretty much just like me, and it's wild what you can do with AI. So, all right, so now that we have that, that is a premium subscription. We can hit next. And here is where you can create your footages and gather it from different places. So you can gather it from stock footages. You can generate your own with AI. And these are 5-second clips. You can search it through Google Creative Commons. This is a super cool feature that I wanted. These videos are given permission to use and you're allowed to use them. So there's that, or you can just upload your own videos from your own device. So let's just use a few stock footages. I'll just choose random ones. Yeah. Then we can adjust it so that it matches the voiceover duration. Exactly like that. Okay, and then we'll render preview. Okay, so the preview rendered, and this is just the footage with the voiceover behind it. The footage doesn't match, but that's okay. We're just demonstrating. We'll hit next. You can add a text overlay, content, something like that. You can change the color and the font size and the font as well. We'll hit next. You can add music from our content library, and then we can hit that, and we can hit start render, and it will render the entire thing for you, and you can then post it to all of your accounts. And that is contentdrip.ai. Remember, there is a free plan where you can get most of these features. There's also a giveaway going on for the premium subscription, as well as a 10% off discount code that will be linked in the description, along with this free school community where you can learn more about ContentDrip and just AI content creation and automation.